Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Jeff Dennis, your core teacher. In this beautiful video today, I'm going to teach you a little bit grammar about how to correctly use to and to in English. I'm asking you guys to watch this video at the end. After watching it, like, comment, and also share with all your friends, guys. Let's go. To, okay, to use the preposition to when indicating that there is movement from one place to another. In other words, the preposition to with verbs such as drive, walk, go, fly. Okay guys, we can use to with them, guys. For example, we are flying to Jeff on Friday from a meeting. Okay guys, so another case too, you can use to show motion. Okay, example, I am going to the shop. Okay, so there are several ways you can use to. To can be refers to something that you used to do like a routine. For example, I am used to getting up early for work, or to say that repeatedly happening. To is a preposition. There's no way in this. Okay guys? Okay, why not let me talk about to, guys. To, T-double-O. Okay? Okay, to has the same meaning with also. Okay? I can say me too, me also. Okay? So do I. Okay, guys? To is an adverb. Okay, an example, guys. It's too late to stop him. Okay? So I think guys you understand this. If you would like to see more videos, don't forget to like, comment below one of my videos. Thank you guys for watching my video.